Hello children. In the previous class, I explained the lesson up to here, page number 5. And now, page number 6. Firstly, I'll read this page and then I'll explain whole lesson once again. The sadhu brought together the lion and the rabbits for a common meal. He visited the python and the viper and had a long chat with them. He advised the eagle not to attack the little chicks that had lost their mother. The sadhu accompanied the tiger and the wild bear to the nearest market. He played with the bulbul, the owl, and the monkeys. But the jackal was very angry with what the sadhu was doing. He did not want the animals to live in peace and harmony. So he was waiting for an opportunity to attack the sadhu. One day, the animals, insects, and birds held an emergency meeting and they unanimously decided to approach the sadhu and pleaded with him to kill the jackal. The sadhu said, I will not kill the jackal but help you in a different way. When the sun went to sleep, the jackal came to the house of the hens to take a few of them for his supper. The sadhu, who had been lodging nearby, came out of the house and spoke to the jackal, Take me today for your meal. The jackal, who had been waiting for this opportunity, dragged the sadhu and ran into the jungle. He took the sadhu to a lonely place, tore him into pieces, and ate him up. The animals were very sad, angry, and disappointed with what had happened to the sadhu. They were afraid that the hungry jackal would appear again the next day. Then they heard a strange noise. All of them ran in that direction. What they saw surprised them. They saw the stomach of the jackal growing bigger and bigger. It continued to bloat until it burst. Then they heard a soft voice. May my animals, birds, and insects live in peace and harmony. May there be no fences around you. May you sing and dance once again. Remember me and be not afraid. When they looked up at the sky, they saw the moon shining brightly, spreading milky brightness over the earth. The animals once again started to roam, sing, and sleep in peace. They broke down the fences which they had built. They invited the moon and the stars for their cultural evenings. What we discussed in the previous class, we discussed about the moon, the animals living in the forest happily. What happened? One day, a jackal entered in the forest to spoil the peace in the forest, and it used its cunning brain to separate the animals, and it succeeded in that, started eating smaller animals. Then the moon decided to come down as sadhu among animals. He appeared in the forest. All the animals and birds explained about what had happened. All the animals explained to Sadhu what had happened. Then the sadhu brought the lion and the rabbits together and told them to be friends. Then he visited viper and python and had long chat. He advised them not to attack any. As Sadhu said, every animal obeyed, and the jackal had nothing to hunt again. Then it thought for a while, the sadhu has changed everything. I have greatly influenced the animals and divided them. But this sadhu changed their minds to be together again. Whenever I get a chance, I'll kill him. One day, all the animals held an emergency meeting and they decided to tell Sadhu to kill the jackal. But Sadhu said, I'll not kill, but I can help in a different way. The jackal arrived. Sadhu said, don't kill the smaller ones. What did they do done for you? Sadhu said, don't kill the smaller animals. What did they done for you? Today, as a dinner, eat me, said Sadhu. Jackal was very happy because he was angry at Sadhu. Jackal takes Sadhu aside from the forest and ate. Animals were very sad and disappointed with what had happened to the Sadhu. Suddenly, they heard a big bursting sound. All animals ran in that direction. But it was not Sadhu's voice, it's Jackal's. Then they heard a soft voice. May my animals live in peace and harmony. Remember me and be not afraid. Animals looked up at the sky. They saw the moon shining brightly. Now, everyone in the forest lived happily ever and after. Children, peace and harmony is very important in human life. Peace, joy, and harmony are the best vitamins in the universe. Today we have completed the lesson. I hope you understood what is peace and harmony. And in the next class, we will start up with grammar in page number 7. Thank you.